What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out, man. I really appreciate it. And it is Christmas, right? So I decided to do a mystery box from Chinatown Market. Well, the market. There used to be Chinatown Market, but you know that could be kind of racist. So they changed it to the market, and this is the $100 mystery box. So you're guaranteed to equal or kind of double your box. Let's get into it. On front, I thought I was gonna get like a nice box with a whole bunch of question marks on it, some Chinatown, some market logos and stuff, but it just comes in a brown box, not your regular like sneaker size box, but a brown box, higher than wider. And let's get into it. So remember, guys, it cost $100. So I'm not expecting nothing crazy, no Simpsons collab, or, you know, they got a lot of dope collabs. Let's start with the first one. We have a tee here. And the tee reads, "Smiley, keep on shining, wash blue." And from the packaging, it looks dope, man. So let's open this. Yes, sir. Dope tee, man. It has the market basketball layer. Nice material, guys. This material is dope in that washed denim blue. I really like this one. It says keep on shining in that nice abrased, you know, like a fitted hat material there. Roses around the basketball, and it reads the market at the bottom. It doesn't have the retail here, but I looked it up, and everywhere it seems to be between $45 and $60. There go there. So again, $100 mystery box, and you start with a $50 shirt. I call that a steal where I'm from. Next up, another tee. This tee looks weird to me, guys. Let's open it up to see what it is. Oh, I think I remember this collab. It was like earlier in the year, or middle of the year, because we at the end of the year now. It's a black tee, more great material, guys. The market material is all right, man. And this one is called Need a Hand Tee. So you got the market in some bubble letters with a black hand and a white hand. Strong hands, man. The hands are actually people, as you see the sneakers and the shorts. And this is called the Need a Hand Tee. As you can see here. Need a Hand Tee. And I looked this one up also. Same thing, between $45 and $60 across the board. So already I made my money back on this $100 mystery box. That's dope. Next up, we have an accessory here. And it sounds like gold to me, guys. So the sticker reads, Market Onyx Necklace Gold. Come on, man, I'm from New York. I know what gold sounds like. So let's open this up. Comes in a nice market box. See the new branding. Instead of Chinatown Market, you just got the M for market. Market all the way around. It's a dope logo. I like how they put the R inside the letter in there. That's dope. Open it up. Oh, this is dope. This could actually be a nice Christmas gift. I'm thinking about giving away everything out of this gift box anyway, so I'm just trying to get to 7,000 subscribers. Once we get that, man, I'll give all this stuff away. You guys been loyal to me, man. So here you go. You got a gold necklace with the M logo in there. This is dope, guys. I don't know if it's real gold, man, but this is heavy. The M logo is heavy. This pendant is heavy, guys. I gotta investigate, see if it's real gold. But I didn't find this retail nowhere. Everywhere I looked, it said sold out, and they wouldn't even give me the price. But I did find something similar to this, and that's a good price. That's way more, well, a little bit more, close to what I paid for the whole box. So that's dope. Nice necklace, man. This might be a re-gifted Christmas gift. Let's dig deeper in the box. Okay, we got a crew neck. I love crew necks. I rather hoodies like this one I have on, but I love a crew neck. So this one reads, going camping washed crew neck sweatshirt washed brown. And if you look at it, you got a, I was about to say an elephant. I know, I'm bugging. You got a frog with the market logo on there. I'm trying to see what the frog is actually doing. But let's open it up and we can see better. Yeah, yo, material is crazy. That's my third time saying it, man. So here we go. It says going camping. So the frog has, like, you know, one of those bags the cartoons make with the tree branch and a blanket. So he's going camping. Market logo, dope at the bottom. But look on the back, guys. It gets even doper, man. This is crazy. I know this retails for about $80, man. They really did good with this $100 mystery box, man. I mean, it's a mystery. You're not always going to get good, but this is dope, man. Let me know what y'all think about this. Okay, last but not least, I got 3 things in here. They look like all accessories. They're small. Have a keychain here. It reads, nurture yourself, take care of Mother Earth, protect your peace. So it's a keychain with a globe or the earth on there, market logo. Huge keychain, not your regular size keychain. Also in here is like a, I don't know, a marijuana plant, car air freshener. Enjoy the fragrance of pure comfort, a luxury air freshener, a soothing aroma. It's a warning, this smells good. The scent is pineapple. So it says market on the air freshener itself with the marijuana plants in the back, but it is pineapple smelling. I was about to say pineapple flavor. It's a pineapple air freshener. And last but not least, you get this market sticker with the globe. This is the one they've been running with all 2022, so that's dope. Yes, sir. So let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about the market, the whole branding change. I like it, man. I love when someone's empathetic towards someone else's feelings. They switch it out and they still do dope stuff. The material, A1. Again, I paid $100 for the mystery box. I got over $200 worth of stuff. I'm happy. Far as the gear, all the shirts and the crew necks they sent me is something I will wear. The necklace is something I probably wouldn't do, but it could be re-gifted. Again, if I get to 7,000 subscribers, man, all that is going giveaways. No raffles, no money needed. You don't even need to subscribe to the channel. Just once I get to 7,000 subscribers, that's going to be given away, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. I got lobsters coming up. Travis, I got a whole bunch of stuff coming up, guys. Everybody get rich.